There's a $6 item sitting at Lowe's right now that will embarrass half the $300 bug-out bags getting pushed online, and most men walk right past it like it's nothing. I'll show you that exact item in a few minutes. And the 3 buy on this list is something most people treat like garage junk, even though it can solve 5 survival problems in one shot. But the one that hit me hardest? It's cheap, ugly, easy to ignore, and if the lights go out tonight, the guys who grabbed it first will look like they planned a month ahead while everyone else looks lost. Because here's the truth, when shelves start thinning out, the winners are not the guys with the flashiest gear. They're the guys who know which boring store-bought items turn into force multipliers fast. Miss this, and you'll be the guy standing in a Lowe's parking lot at 8:40 p.m. buying the wrong stuff while everybody else cleans out the real survival gear in plain sight. And don't make the mistake most people make here. 7 is useful. 4 changes how you move. 1 is the one most preppers never think to buy at a hardware store at all. 7. Project Source Utility Knife 18mm and 9mm 2-pack 3.98. Most people hear survival blade and start dreaming about some oversized Rambo knife that costs half a tank of gas. Wrong move. At Lowe's, the Project Source Utility Knife 18mm and 9mm 2-pack for $3.98 does what a lot of expensive field knives never get used for anyway: real work. You're cutting plastic sheeting, opening contractor bags, trimming cordage, stripping packaging, making fast repairs, breaking down cardboard for fire starting. In a real emergency, you need sharp, cheap, replaceable, not romantic. Ask any no BS combat arms guy what matters under stress, and he'll tell you the same thing. If you're afraid to use the blade because it costs too much, it's already the wrong blade. Picture the scene: power's flickering. You're in the garage. You need to break down materials, cut tarp, open water cases, and get moving. A fancy knife becomes a toy real fast. A cheap cutter you don't baby? That becomes a tool. Let that sink in. Under $4. And if you think a knife matters more than protecting your hands, wait until you see the next one. Because a cut finger in a dirty environment can turn into a bigger problem than a lack of gear. And remember, I still haven't shown you the asterisk $6 item that humiliates premium bug-out bags. 6 Project Source Textured Grip Food Grade Nitrile Disposable Gloves. 3.38. This is one of those items men skip because it feels soft. It isn't soft. It's smart. The Project Source Textured Grip Nitrile Disposable Gloves at 3.38 are one of the cheapest contamination barriers you can throw into a truck, tote, or kitchen drawer. You use these when you're cleaning up broken glass, handling nasty water containers, dealing with fuel residue, treating a wound, emptying a trap, or touching anything that can get you sick when medical help is far away or slow. Guys with real field time understand this: fast, disease, grime, and infection will wreck you long before your Instagram knife collection saves you. A lot of people picture survival as a gunfight. More often, it's a mess. A backed-up toilet, a bloody hand, fuel on skin, dead food in a warm fridge. You don't need drama. You need a barrier between you and the problem. And the craziest part? This costs less than a fast food burger. Yet most people will spend hundreds on pouches and skip the thing that keeps their hands functional. Now let's move to something almost every prepper owns in some form, but most use completely wrong. 5. Project Source Waterproof Standard Polyethylene 5mm 86's Blue Tarp, $12.98. Everybody says, get a tarp. Almost nobody says which tarp, what size, or why it matters when you're cold, wet, and thinking badly. The Project Source 5mm 8-foot by 6-foot blue tarp for $12.98 is not glamorous. That's exactly why it belongs on this list. This one item can become a rain catch, ground barrier, gear cover, privacy wall, wind block, improvised shelter roof, drag sled, or truck bed weather shield. That's not one item. That's a stack of solutions folded flat. Ask a former infantry guy what he trusts when the weather turns ugly, and he won't give you a speech. He'll say, block wind, block water, stay off the ground. You don't realize how fast morale drops until everything is wet. Socks wet, seat wet, spare clothes wet, food box wet. Once that happens, your whole decision-making process gets sloppy. A cheap tarp stops the slide before it starts. Here's the backwards part. A tarp isn't about comfort. It's about preserving judgment. Stay with me, because 3 is the item most men already own but had been thinking about all wrong. But before we get there, you need the thing that keeps heat in, noise down, and eyes off you. 4 Blue Hawk 72 in X80 in moving blanket $22.98. Most people see a moving blanket and think furniture. That's civilian thinking. The Blue Hawk 72-inch by 80-inch moving blanket at $22.98 is one of the most underrated stealth survival buys in the whole store. It insulates. It deadens noise. It blocks light leaks in a vehicle. It pads fragile gear. It wraps an injured person. It protects a dog. It makes sleeping in a truck or garage way less miserable. And, unlike shiny emergency blankets, it doesn't scream panic. A practical old hand will choose low-profile gear over flashy gear every time. Because in a bad moment, you don't want attention, you want options. If you've ever tried to sleep in a vehicle while cold air crawls through the glass and every movement echoes, you already know what this does. Throw one over gear, one over a seat, one over a door opening. Suddenly, that truck starts acting less like a metal freezer and more like a shelter. And wait until you see 2, because it solves a problem almost nobody prepares for until they smell it. Now let's get to the item people laugh at right up until the moment they desperately need one. 3 Lowe's 5-gallon BPA-free plastic general bucket, $4.58. Here it is. The item sitting in plain sight that half the internet ignores because it doesn't look tactical. The Lowe's 5-gallon BPA-free plastic general bucket for $4.58. This is the thing most people already own and use completely wrong. A bucket is water haul, wash station, tool carrier, food transport, seat, catch basin, sanitation base, fire ash holder, and fast load container when you've got 90 seconds to move supplies from house to truck. Ask any man who spent real time working out of a truck, a camp, or a job site, and he'll tell you, buckets beat organizers when life gets chaotic. When pressure hits, your brain wants simplicity. A bucket gives you a single grab point, one motion, one carry. No fiddling with zippers, no digging through compartments, no babbying expensive fabric bags while the weather turns or the lights die. A lot of so-called bug-out bags are just overpriced storage. A bucket is storage *+ function. And I still haven't shown you the cheap Lowe's item from the opening that outperforms premium bags in the one moment that matters most, the first dark hour. But first, you need the thing that handles one ugly reality every serious prepper eventually runs into. 2 Contractor's Choice 55-gallon construction flap tie trash bag, $19.98. Nobody wants to think about trash, waste, wet clothes, human mess, rot. That's exactly why most people get blindsided by it. The Contractor's Choice 55-gallon construction flap tie trash bags at $19.98 are not just trash bags. They're emergency containment. These handle soaked clothing, ruined bedding, broken materials, rain protection, improvised ponchos, waterproof gear separation, debris cleanup, and ugly sanitation jobs you do not want leaking into the rest of your setup. Men who've lived through storms, outages, and hard field conditions know this. Once clean and dirty start mixing, your situation goes downhill fast. You come in from rain, boots soaked, clothes muddy, towels used up, power still out. You throw that mess into weak kitchen bags and they split. Now the floor is slick, the smell starts, and the house feels smaller by the minute. Contractor bags stop that spiral cold. And this is why one blows people's minds, because it's not about storing gear. It's about keeping your hands, eyes, and brain working when everyone else is fumbling in the dark. So let's close the biggest loop from the opening. 1 Lowe's Essentials 250 lumen 4-mode LED Headlamp, $6. If the grid drops tonight, this is the item that disappears first from the smart carts. The Lowe's Essentials 250 Lumen 4-mode LED headlamp for $6. That's the cheap Lowe's buy I told you would embarrass premium bug-out bags. Because light in your hand is useful. Light on your head is a force multiplier. You can carry water, fix a fuse, cut tarp, sort meds, lock a gate, check the yard, cook food, and keep both hands free. That changes everything. Ask any disciplined operator what falls apart first in darkness. It's not the gear. It's the person. Fine motor skills drop. Patience drops. Judgment drops. A hands-free light buys all three back. Watch a man with a flashlight under stress. He tucks it under his chin, drops it, sets it down, loses it, points it the wrong way, then wastes 30 seconds doing a two-hand task with one hand missing. A headlamp ends that nonsense instantly. $6, not $60, not $150, $6. And now you can probably see why a boring Lowe's aisle can beat a sexy bug-out bag page online. Bonus Spinal Reveal Bushman U-Jug Multipurpose 5.5-gallon Utility Storage Jug asterisk $22.99. But there's one more thing nobody talks about enough. The Bushman U-Jug 5.5-gallon Utility Storage Jug for $22.99. This closes the last big loop. The difference between having supplies and actually asterisk moving water like an adult. Asterisk. A lot of people stock food and tools but still treat water like an afterthought. Bad move. A real storage jug changes refill speed, carry speed, and staging. When systems break, water gets heavy real quick. Heavy changes plans. Practical men don't prep for display. They prep for transfer. Can you fill it, lift it, pour it, and reload it without wasting energy? That's the standard. You can own filters, tablets, fancy pouches, and still lose the game because you don't have a serious container ready to go. That's how people end up with gear everywhere and water nowhere. So read the pattern here. The winning buys were not flashy. They were cheap, specific, and brutally useful. Asterisk $3.98 utility knife, asterisk $3.30 knife, $3.30, asterisk $12.98 turf balls 98C a tarp, asterisk a $22.98 moving blanket, asterisk $4.58 bum bucket, asterisk 19 pot 98 moving blanket, shresk a arstrisk 6 lamp dollars, headlars resk, endestrisk lampesk. And in my next video, I'm breaking down the 5 hardware store mistakes that expose preppers in the first 24 hours of a blackout, including the one most men think is smart, but actually tells everybody around them they weren't ready.